Hi, so this will be the final clip of this series that looks at lower back discomfort in relation to core activation and strength. So we've talked about the beginner's level. If you've jumped straight to this clip, I do advise that you watch the beginner's clip just because I talk about the importance of the core and the role it plays in protecting your lower back really. So do watch that. There's the intermediate clip that talks about some exercises that are a little bit more challenging than those in the beginners. And then this clip will talk about some more advanced clips. So I've talked about the importance of being in different positions in the previous clip. So standing up, sitting down, on your all fours, on your back, on your front, just because we're in different positions as we move in day-to-day life. So we know that. So you can now look for clips that involve you being in different positions on bite-sized Pilates that suit your level. That's something you could probably do by yourself now. Examples would be number 57, which is downward dog into plank. That's quite an advanced move, as is anything to do with the plank really. So 38, you've got plank and leg lift, but again, appreciating the role of the glutes in that is really important, and I'll talk more about that in the next clip. 59, plank and hand raise. That's much harder than the leg lift, which just makes you a bit more unstable. But things to remember when you try exercises that are more difficult is to slow down. You must be slow and you mustn't rush, because the faster you move, the less control you have, and then you're not going to be getting stronger or maintaining any level of strength. And lastly, just to finish, the 3 things to remember is with your tummy muscles, don't let them dome or push out. Don't let them quiver when things get too hard, and you must breathe. If these things are not achievable, then perhaps these particular exercises you're doing at the time are just too hard for you. So bringing it back, making it a bit easier. So if it's a plank, you might drop to your knees, for example. If it's a downward dog into a plank, you might do 1 rep instead of 10. Or you might just do a downward dog and then just do a plank rather than putting the 2 together. Or you might go to some more intermediate exercises. Because like I say, it's really important to work at your level and then build the strength. So you've got a good foundation to build on. And then you'll get solid, nice, strong core muscles, which will definitely help with lower back pain, unless you've got more of a medical underlying issue that needs different intervention. And it certainly can't do you any harm if you don't have lower back pain. I don't have lower back pain anymore. I used to, but I still make sure I do stuff like this every week to maintain a nice foundation.